Good morning, everyone. Second half of the vlog week this week for Unit 3 of Level 2, and we just finished yoga with Brooke. We're feeling grounded, we're feeling solid, we're feeling pretty good. And yeah, right away this morning, we're diving straight back into Unit 3. We are doing the keys lessons, which is all about chord progressions. Then we have an assignment at the end, and then we actually have our normal playing assignment. We're gonna try to get all that done today. And then all we have tomorrow is the discussion for our Art of Flow class, talking about fear. Of course, it's Thursday, so we also need to post the beginning of the week vlog. We are at the keys lesson, and we are playing Ain't No Sunshine. There was like a warm-up, two-handed practice thing before that was just going up the scale. Dun, 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 dun. So this is our first try, as we love to do. Let's give it a go. You know how it went. A solid 32%. So that's the cool thing about these keys lessons, is you just keep practicing until you get it. Technically, the system passes you at 65%, but encourages you to go all the way to 100, which is what I have done every single time, and I will continue to do. So we're just gonna keep practicing, getting the fingering position right, and that's all you can do. That's the whole point of piano, is practice, practice, practice. All right, we'll catch you next time on Elated fails at playing the piano because his brain doesn't communicate to both of his hands trying to do something at the same time. Nice. We are having some absolutely epic studio days. We actually just sped right through the last bit of Unit 3 for Level 2. There was a bunch of studio equipment lessons, and then it capped it off with learning about chord progressions. Right now, we are just uploading the vlog, so if you have not seen the first half of this week, go and click right about now in the top right corner and check that out, and then come right back. Feeling pretty good. We still got a lot of work to do on our newest mentor track, which you will see next week. We had a pretty freaking great day, and once we get this vlog all uploaded, we are gonna head home. Hopefully tomorrow morning we get our marks back for the assignments we did yesterday. We did a chord progression assignment and we did a metering assignment. I think I talked a little bit about that, but we had to basically use different metering tools like Spectrum, Stereo Imager, different things like that to analyze other tracks and basically discuss how we can use referencing other tracks to improve our own work. And so we're just waiting for those to get marked, and that should be happening any minute now. We posted a vlog yesterday. I shared a really deep personal story about some of my mental health triumphs, and yeah, I just wanted to share that story to relate with people. Not to go on another rant, but my philosophy is that, like, there's enough music about being sad and heartbroken and cheated on, and that I want Elated, and I want my motto, the message is connection, to be about being on the other side of struggle, in that you've done the work to get there. When life's easy, it's easy, but when life's hard, those are opportunities to really buckle down and see what's not working for me and what I need to change. Most of the time, what I need to change is in here. It's my thinking that's the problem. And so I gotta do the work to process whatever's going on, whether it's something from the past or fear of the future, and then I can kind of start the ball rolling to move forward. Staying stuck, one of my greatest fears. I want to just continue to work on myself and continue moving forward. I genuinely wish you well if you're watching this right now. Yeah, you know, even if we haven't seen eye to eye in the past. I'm feeling good this morning. I don't know why, but I chose to have a second coffee. Probably going to be a big mistake. I think we're just going to work on our mentor track while we wait for these marks to come in, and then we'll show you what we got. Sometimes you're just working on that mentor track, and then literally 7 hours fly by. It's like 6 p.m., but I really wanted to show you the updates on my marks. Art of Flow is, of course, pass or fail, so 100%. For studio techniques, 100%. This was on metering. We go to our keys project, 94%. That one will actually be changing, I'm pretty sure, because the instructions are a little vague, and I explained why I did what I did, and he said, you know what, I think you're actually right. So we can expect 100% on this one too, but honestly, I mean 94, still an A, still really, really good. And of course, I played the keys lesson until I got 100%. So pretty much straight A's on level 2, unit 3. I'm feeling really, really accomplished this week. I'm super proud of the track that I'm working on, which you will see next week on Whip Wednesday. Tomorrow is Saturday. First thing in the morning, we are going for a walk this morning. Check this out. What a great walk that was. Jesus, it's bright. Haven't started my day off with a walk for ages. Actually driving to a place and going for a walk, but it's actually like, well, it was like -1 degrees Celsius. So all that mist on the water looked really, really cool. We are just killing time before we go pick up something special. Something that I've been wanting for a really, really long time that I finally pulled the trigger on. And I will explain why I got it and what I'm going to use it for when I go pick it up. All right, I'll talk to you when I get in the studio. Here we are, probably the latest we've arrived to the studio in I don't even know how long. Yeah, but look what we have here. A little package, which I'm going to open up. I'm so freaking excited about this. Well, hello up there. Let's get this open.
Oh, that's convenient. Yes!
The Apple Watch. I got the Series 1 when it first came out like 6 or 7 years ago. And unfortunately, due to my job and where I worked, we weren't allowed electronics that had the potential to send or receive signal, basically. Military stuff, you know. So I really never got to wear my watch. And then I just kind of became comfortable not having it on. Like, I wanted a device that is going to help me with my physical health. And it's going to give me reminders, and it's going to basically help me out to not sit at this freaking desk for 10 hours a day and remind me to stand up, allow me to track some of my fitness goals, and just actually set an intention with having something like this rather than just buying one for the sake of having an Apple Watch and showing it off. Like, I actually really wanted something that was going to help me out and remind me that I need to be active. And I know this is first world problems, and I'm obviously extremely privileged and blessed to be able to afford something like this in order to do that. So let's open this up.
Oh, very interesting.
Okay, here's what it looks like on the inside. The watch is here, and there it is. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, okay, all right. The blue Apple Watch, which matches the phone. Blue and blue. Just gotta charge it up, and then we will be ready to rock.